Hey guys, it's Alicia with Tuffaznails.com, and I just wanted to give you a minute of quick tips to extend the life of your nail polish. So the nails that I have on now, I've had for just over a week, and they still look really good, but they are definitely getting a little bit of wear on the tips. I actually broke one of my nails, so it chipped off some of the nail polish when I broke it. So I'm going to show you a couple different ways, well, I'm going to tell you a couple different ways to extend the life of your polish. So I'm going to get probably at least another week out of these easy, unless I get bored and want to change them. But let me switch the camera and show you what I mean. Alright, so let me get my hand out of the way. Sorry guys. Alright, so you can see on the tip, that's the one I broke. I hate it when they break like halfway like that, because it's like I don't really want to rip it off, but there's nothing I can do with it. So I'll probably cut this one and just file the tips off. But you see, you can, other than the growth right here, just on the tips, there is a little bit of wear. And again, this has been about probably over a week that I've had these on. And I'll show you the other hand too. I cut my finger today. But just a little bit of wear on the tips. All I'm going to do is file those tips down until it gets up to the purple. So I'm just going to shorten my nails a little bit, which is good for strengthening and all that. And plus I broke this one anyway, so it'll kind of even things up. And then I will show you what that looks like. I don't have enough hands to be able to file them and have the video, so hang on just a minute. So all I did was I filed the tips of the nails, and look at that. You can't see any of that wear. I cut this nail because this is the one that broke, and I filed it. Some of the paint is still chipped, obviously, from when it broke. But really, you can't see, other than the growth by the cuticle, you really can't see. They look like almost like I just put them on. They look so good. So, if you feel like you want to extend the wear of your nails and get some extra time out of them, or let's say like you don't have time to just redo the manicure altogether, or if they still look pretty good but you want them to look nice like for a dinner or something like that, just file the tips off and they will look good as new, with the exception of a little bit of growth, obviously. But look how good that looks. Alright, so if you want a sample to try these out, that's sample.tuffaznails.com. If you would like to get some of your own, you can check out tuffaznails.com, and that's Tuffaz nails.com. They are restocking the website a lot more regularly now, so your chances of getting stuff on there are really good. Also, if you hang out with me on my VIP group, which is on Facebook, that's facebook.tuffaznails.com, you have really good chances of hanging out with me, seeing the deals that might be going on. Also, there's my stock is listed on there as well. From time to time I'll kind of update and tell everybody what my stock is, so if you want to order straight from me, and I'll send the nails and everything to you. So those are your options. Alright, thanks for hanging out. I hope you have learned something, and enjoy your Color Street. Color Street turns 3 today, June 12th. Yay, that's pretty awesome. Alright, bye.